How to lose weight fast with water. 1. Drink water throughout the day. Drinking water during the day can help keep you feeling full without consuming high-calorie coffees and snacks. 2. Replace sweetened drinks with water. Instead of drinking soda, smoothies or other high-calorie drinks, you can grab a glass or bottle of water. 3. Try a 24-hour water fast. Prepare for 7 days before a 24-hour fast. Start by removing foods and drinks which are high in sugar, fat and caffeine at least 7 days before you decide to begin your water fast. 4. Drink a glass of water before every meal. In several studies of weight loss in overweight adults, those who drank water before eating a meal regularly consumed fewer calories and saw improved weight loss results. 5. Follow a short water detox diet. Water detox and diet plans often include short periods that involve significant fluid intake to flush toxins from the system and reduce bloating. So this is how to lose weight fast with water.